This is the process 2 to install the final firmware update on the Invoke device. First, open the device manager. If you have already followed the process 1 in this video, you should see the Marvel USB driver here. Okay, let's open the instructions to follow the steps. Step number 1. Disconnect the power from the Invoke. Step number 2. Open the OTA folder. Step number 3. Double-click to launch the run file. Then click Allow Access on the Firewall dialog. For step number 5 and number 6, I have a different approach that you may have seen in the process 1 video. So here it is. Power up the device first. Next, press and hold the pinhole firmly. Then press the mic button 4 times quickly. You will see the top panel displays the yellow light. Step number 7. Wait till the U-boot screen appears here. Step number 8. Copy the code from the instructions. Then paste it to the console and hit Enter key. Step number 9. Wait a few minutes until you see the congratulations message, which indicates that the Invoke has been successfully updated. Step number 10. Unplug the USB and disconnect the power from the Invoke. Step number 11. After 10 seconds, power up the device again. You will not hear Cortana greeting anymore. Now you can press the Bluetooth button on the Invoke. Then pair your phone with it. You can test it out to see if it can play the sound from your phone.
This is the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. This is a handheld PC/Android phone, now running Android 11 with a redesign. Same basic premise, sort of like a passport folding.
Cool, the Bluetooth pairing is working well. This concludes the process 2 for the Invoke final update. Please comment below for your experience of the update, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.